Okay, good morning, chicos. Sorry because I couldn't be here with you because I had to go to the doctor. So sorry, but here is the video and the activity that you have to do today. Today is Tuesday, June the 2nd, 2022. And today we will be learning how to describe people. And remember that we learn a new vocabulary. Did you remember this word? Yes? He? Yes? Very good. Beard. Beard. Do you have beard? Boys, do you have beard? No, you don't have. But maybe your dad can have a beard. Next one, let's see. Great! Mustache. Mustache. Do you have mustache? No, maybe your dad or your grandpa have mustache. Great, very good. Now look at her hair. Dark hair. Dark. Remember, dark is like black. Dark hair. Then we have here the other one. Yes, very good. Light hair. Light hair. Very good. Such as me. Look at me. I don't have dark hair. I have light hair. Great. Look at this girl. Her hair is curly. Curly hair. Very good. Curly hair. Now let's look at this other picture. Yes, look at her hair. Yes. Straight. Straight. Yes. Look at my hair. My hair is not curly. My hair is straight. Straight. Very good. Look at this cat. Yes, this cat is fat. Fat. Very good. And what is the opposite of fat? Look at this cat. The opposite is thin. Thin. Very good. Now let's look at these two boys. Look at him. Tall. Very good. Tall. Short. Tall. Giraffes are tall. Look at this face. See it? Yes. Round face. Round face. Just like me, Miss Fabi has a round face. Very good. Okay, so we are going to learn how to describe persons. Look at this girl. The girl with the purple bow, she has curly hair. Now this boy with the number 3 on his t-shirt, light hair. Light hair. Yes? And now let's look at this boy with the blue t-shirt. Curly hair. Curly hair. Great. Now, let's go to the next part. Please open your student's book on the page number 72. Please prepare your student's book on the page number 72. Yes, ready? Ready? Okay. So on this page, we will be talking about this girl. So pay attention to the video.
The world's longest documented hair belongs to Xia Chuping, China, at 5.627 meters, 18 feet 5.54 and when measured on the 8th of May 2004. She has been growing her hair since 1973 from the age of 13. It's no trouble at all. I'm used to it, said Xia Chuping. But you need patience and you need to hold yourself straight when you have hair like this. Xia Chuping from China has been growing her hair since 1973 from the age of 13. She now holds the record for the longest female hair with a length of 5.627 meters, 18 feet 5.54 inches when last measured. That's nearly as long as the height of a giraffe.
Okay, so this girl is from China. She has one of the longest hair in the world. Her hair is 5 meters, just like a giraffe. 5 meters. Imagine very long hair. Great. Okay. So now for working this worksheet, yes, we have to check these words. The first word, yes, let's check the first word. Meter. Yes, this one is a meter. Great. Next one. 1 meter. Let's see. Look at this plant. It died. No water. This plant died. And then we have here another one. Look, he's 1.8 meters tall. He's almost 2 meters. Meaning he is 2 meters tall, but he's almost 2 meters. Casi 2 meters. Almost 2 meters. Yes? Those are the words that we're going to need today. For example, I leave my house every morning at 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock. I arrive at a school at 10 o'clock. Okay? It takes for me 2 hours. 2 hours being here. 2 hours. Yes? So now I need you to prepare your books on the page number 72. Page number 72. Okay, so now we're going to practice the words that I have just showed you on the pictures. Please listen and repeat. Listen and repeat the words. Meters. Meters. Takes 2 hours. Takes 2 hours. Died. Died. Almost. Almost. Yes? Now, let's look at the photo that we have here on the page. Let's look at a photo. Bien, let's look at a photo. What is so special about this person? What is so special? Very good. He is special because he has a very long mustache. Very long mustache. Yes, can you see? Look, let's watch the video about him.
Here in Jaipur, India, Ram Singh Chauhan boasts the world's longest moustache, measuring a staggering 14 feet in length from end to end.
तो मेरे लिए तो ये मुझे अमूल्य है इसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, इसका कोई जो है मापदंड नहीं है कि जो है इंसान को, मेरे लिए मूछें सबसे बड़ी कीमती है। अगर कोई मुझे कहे मैं आपको इतना दूंगा, तब भी मेरे लिए बेकार है।
Ram Singh has spent 42 years growing the impressive tash, and each day spends up to 2 hours washing, preening and grooming the locks. The 65-year-old's moustache is now so long he has to wrap it around his neck to prevent tripping over it. The long journey to his record-breaking moustache started with a few whiskers when he married his wife Asha.
क्योंकि मूछों से ना हमारी सबकी पहचान है और इनकी वजह से ना पूरा परिवार भी है ना बहुत खुश है।
And in 2010, his efforts were finally recognised with a Guinness World Record.
अच्छा लगा, इतना अच्छा लगा कि जीवन में जो है जो चीज इंसान को पानी चाहिए थी वो मैं पा चुका हूँ।
Ram Singh's moustache has brought him worldwide fame, and he is often hired to appear at special events. But for now, Ram Singh is determined to continue cultivating his tash to secure his place in the record books.
Okay. Did you remember that the other girl from China, the longest hair? But here he has that. Okay, so he has the longest mustache. Yes? Now let's go back to the student's book. Yes? Let's go back to the student's book. Because right now we're going to talk about amazing or incredible person. Yes? So let's read about it. Is your hair long? Yes. But is it shorter than Jacques Whipping? Did you remember the girl with 5 meters long hair? My hair is shorter than hers. Yes? She is from China. Yes, did you remember the girl from China? This girl. Did you remember the girl from China? Yes, the other girl from China with the longest hair. She has the longest hair in the world. There is a man in India who has the longest mustache in the world. Ram Singh Chauhan is this one. Mire. The Ram Singh Chauhan's mustache is longer than 4 meters. Imagine, 4 meters. Ram says it takes 2 hours to wash his mustache every day. Imagine 2 hours washing his mustache. Sultan Hussein is from Turkey. He's the tallest person in the world. He's 22 meters and 51 centimeters tall. More like a giraffe. He also has the biggest hands. The world's shortest man is Kanhindra Tapa Mugger from Nepal. Is only 67 centimeters tall. He's very, very, very short. And the oldest person, Jean Calment, was 122 years old. Very, very old when she died. Did you remember? Just like the plant in 1997. Almost all the oldest persons are the women. Okay? So now let's go to the exercise number 4.